Peppy Pals. Kelly, Reggy, Sammy, Izzy, Gabby,
Reggy goes down the slide. Reggy has heard that there's a new slide at the playground and looks forward to trying it. Reggy has only ever gone down the slide with Sammy before, but this time Reggy wants to try it alone. Wow, it's really big. But the higher the slide, the more fun it will be to come down, thinks Reggy. Reggy takes the first steps up the stairs and starts to feel nervous, but still takes one step after another. Reggy starts to breathe faster and faster as the fear sets in. The top of the slide is really high up. Oh, it's too scary. Maybe I should turn around. But then Reggy thinks of how fun it will be to slide down and gets an idea. When you feel stressed or afraid, you can take a long, deep breath. Yahoo! Exclaims Reggy, riding down the slide at full speed. That was so much fun! I'm happy I worked up the courage to try it. The next day, Reggy eagerly returns to the playground and sees somebody sitting at the top of the slide. It's Izzy the owl. Hi, Izzy. Aren't you going to slide down? Asks Reggy. No, I don't think I can do it, says Izzy with a trembling voice. Izzy is afraid, just as Reggy had been the day before. I can teach you a little trick. Take a deep breath and you'll feel much better, says Reggy. Izzy is a little hesitant at first. What? It can't be that easy. Try it. It worked for me anyway, says Reggy. They look at each other and take a deep breath together. After the deep breath and Reggy's supportive words, Izzy feels a little calmer. Do you want to try now? Asks Reggy excitedly. Maybe, but only if you slide down with me, answers Izzy. Whee! That was so fun, cheers Izzy, stumbling across the soft sand. Izzy and Reggy burst into laughter. It felt good to overcome my fear. After I tried it once, it wasn't half as scary the second time around, says Izzy proudly. There are different ways to calm yourself down. A deep breath and a supportive friend was just what Izzy needed, concludes Reggy, who is happy to have taught a friend something new. What have you learned from a friend? Would you like to color in the pictures from the episode Reggy Goes Down the Slide, or send in your response to today's question? Visit us at peppypals.com.